Happy Tuesday, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fala. I hope you guys are doing amazing, wonderful, and great. Christmas is literally like a couple of days ahead from now. So today idea is something very simple, because we all know that we have a lot of stuff in our closet. So today basically is like taking your old clothes, manipulate them, make them look nice and delicate, and then add some accessory to it to give you, I don't know, a different look. Twist it with different colors. I always say balance your colors, and this is like the perfect timing to actually balance the colors that you have in your closet. You don't have to go shop and spend a lot of money, but you know, if you want to do that, that's also fine. And yeah, I'm not gonna go too much into talking. I'm just gonna say this and then I'm gonna do the closing later on, and that's it. So just to give you guys a little like twist of what I'm gonna be doing, instead of you guys being like, oh, what the heck is she doing? So I'm just gonna take all of my old clothes, twist it out, make it look nice, and then wear it for for holidays. You know, that's all it is about. And also on Saturday, by then I really hope I'm better. By then I hope everything is fine. But on Saturday I want to give you guys 4 of my tips. I think I already did that, but this time I want to go more into like basic deeper explanation, because you know, I always tell you guys balance your colors. I always tell you guys put accessory to give you guys shape, proportion. I always tell you guys utilize what you have, and I always say have confidence and everything. But on Saturday I think I'm just gonna sit here and just talk, like literally talk for the whole time, just to give you guys a deeper meaning and deeper understanding. If you want to shop, like the main purpose of it. You know, sometimes you do stuff you actually don't know why you're doing it until later on you figure the reason why you're doing it. So on Saturday, that's what I'm thinking of doing. But maybe I'll end up changing my mind at the end. But for now, yes, I want to sit down here and give you guys a deeper meaning into the whole entire fashion from my own point of view. I hope that actually give everyone an understanding on many other stuff when I actually do that. So into further ado, let's just get into it. Thank you the new family members that joined the family. I hope you guys are doing amazing, and I'm happy earliest Christmas in advance, because it's already like a couple of days from now. I'm excited. You guys are excited? I'm excited, and also actually super excited because the year is about to be done, and that's what I've been saying. I'm looking forward to 2022. Like literally 2022, I'm looking forward to. So into further ado, let me just be quiet and get into it and just change. So let me start with the one I'm Thank you.